So chastity. Chastity.
I mean, like, I think, like, when I was trading probably, like, a couple months ago, like,
Yeah.
I would have funded accounts and then I would blow it.
Yeah.
So, like, maybe, like, a couple months ago, but, like, now, like, I've changed my thinking to, like, you know, as long as I can make over just, like, $400 every day, like, that replaces the whole fucking job, you know what I'm saying?
That's fine.
As long as I can just do that every day, and you know, you can just do that with just one contract.
Facts.
And then slowly over time, like once I get my account to a certain threshold, then I'll start adding more and more contracts. But if you ever notice, like I'm never popping like 5, 10, 15 contracts. Like if I do that, it's like on a demo account.
That's true. All right, market opens up in a few. Volume starts kicking in a few. Oh, I'm talking to the chat. Just letting them know what's going on. Man, those shorts look good. Opportunity for me to get into natural gas?
Is it too late?
No, I'm saying opportunity right now.
I mean, yeah, market's about to open 9:30. I got in at well, I added 2 contracts to it, but I'm at 87. You're at one. Get in here like 103. It's 101.
Yeah.
Hope it doesn't reverse. There's news at 10. It's 10 o'clock news.
True. Hey, yo, that natural gas play looks crazy good. But the movement on it is, man. Wait a minute. Oh, oh, well, yeah. Well, it still looks good. It looks good. Surprisingly. Oh, there it is. All right, market opens up in 1 minute, y'all. Oh, just talking to the chat. Man, the buying pressure is crazy on NQ right now. Here we go. Dang, bro, buyers are in control. Crazy. No, natural. Natural, no. That's not natural. Dang, NQ. Crazy. Market still looks long on NQ. Well, on the weekly, it looks so short. All right. All right, let's get it. All right, so this market is looking really long, y'all. It looks really, really long. Question is, where can I buy this market? That's my next question. Where could I buy this market? How many ticks is this to hit this on top? If I can find a way to get into this market. All right, down 100 on this other market. I didn't do so good in it, but focusing on this NQ trade, and it looked like the shorts are coming in heavy. Look at the YM trade that I was gonna take. Yeah, of course that bounce was gonna happen. Goodness. News, we have news and literally We have news in like 23 minutes. Some big news coming in 23 minutes. I might sit on hands, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see. 22 minutes left. We did literally the same thing. So at these highs and then rejected. Look at the 1 minute. Yeah. That was a nice short. I missed that short. 122 ticks. That would have been a lot. 5 minutes left on the 15. Hey yo, I'll be right back. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Give me a sec. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Back. Get on there. There we go. Excuse me. Okay, what is going on? Oh man, that market, that trade on RM was perfect. All's well. News in 15. News in 15. This market about to get really choppy. Anyways, wow, that was a huge rejection week. Look how we rejected on that 15. That's crazy. Ah. 13 more minutes, guys. 13 more minutes. Thirteen more minutes. Excuse me. A lot of selling pressure. Nine more minutes. 9 more minutes. I like this wick. I like this for rejection, maybe. A possible break or structure. Let's see. We're gonna see. Put this on a higher time frame. Wow. Amazing how we holding this area, this structure. Especially with these, see how we hit these highs right here? You see how we tapped in this high once, twice, 3 times, 4 times? I wouldn't be surprised if we reject right here. Like literally 4 times. Still waiting. Still waiting for news. We either gonna do one or two things. We're gonna either hold this block, we're gonna either hold this level and print and continue to go long, or we're gonna continue to try to hit the ceiling and reject. It's like it doesn't want to break, and we try to break. We try to break this support 3 times and we didn't, right? We tapped out and we tapped the ceiling like 4 times and we didn't break, but we're constantly gradually going higher. You know what I mean? So since we are going higher, the trend is still long in the short term. What will stop us from going long? But as we come back down, we're constantly grinding higher and higher until we break. If I see a break or structure, then I'm gonna go, yeah, let's take the short. But the thing is, I'm not seeing no break or structure. I'm not seeing no break or structure. But we in this range though. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. And then I'm gonna take a trade. this thing looks short. Trying to hold out on trades because we in this range. So I'm not seeing no break of the highs. I'm not seeing no break of the lows, and we're just constantly squeezing out. Right, we're squeezing out right here. So see how we're squeezing out. We're constantly like squeezing out. We're gonna see if this market wants to break this support and come down, or it wants to hold the support and continue to go long. Honestly, I was looking for the short. You know, after we took out these highs and we rejected, I'm looking for the shorts. What's up, Kelly? I'm looking for the continuation. I like this head and shoulders pattern that we created right here. Right here, I like that. I like how we did this. See? Like a crown. See if we can get it short in that. News in about 4 minutes, y'all. 4 minutes. 4 minutes. The volume's picking up, but we can't decide which way we're gonna go. Which way are we gonna go in this range? As y'all can see, we are. Where's that? Do I have the triangle? There it is. Looks like we're doing something like this. What is that? All right. See, it looks like that. Still think it's short though, but I could be wrong. The reason why I'm thinking short is how these buyers are constantly drying up. See, sellers are getting a lot more. Like I don't know, but we're gonna see. High time frame is still long. See, high time frame is still long, right? On the weekly, we bounce right here. Can we have a bounce and a continuation long, or are we going to short here? That's the question. Are we going to come back into this box and just continue to go short and take out the lows? I'm thinking we're going to take out the lows. Just when and how and where, I don't know. I really don't know. Patience. 2 minutes left until the market, till that news come out. Buyers are in control right now. They're pushing the market, but sellers are literally holding strong. A lot of chop. A lot of chip chop. Look a little. Oh, today. Hold up. There we go. Put some color on me. Here we go. About 30 more seconds. 30 seconds, y'all. Let me look at ES. I'm gonna look at ES in a minute. $13 seconds left. Here we go. What's up, Elizabeth? Good morning. Are we tugging and pulling? Let me look at a 15 real quick. Let me look at a 15. Let's see, where was that on 30? Highs. Still holding this range. I might go into it. I might get a short. I might get a short on this range. We're gonna see. Getting real choppy. I like how we took out those highs. So let's see where I can get in. Probably can get in right here if we can hold this level. I might get in right here. Let's see about a gap right there. Can we pull back into that? Or actually we might have already, yeah, we dumped already. Let's see. Wow. Wow, this market is really chopped. Really chopped. My goodness. This is crazy. I hope we don't do this all day. There we go. Finally dropping. Finally dropping. I'm gonna have a target all the way down to this 23.402 level. Just wanna see what happens right here. I'm gonna keep a tight stop. I'm gonna add more if we get if I see some continuation. I'm gonna add more. Keep a tight stop. Just in case I start getting absorbed on these sellers. Wait a minute. Oh, we got a 30-minute right here. What in the world? How did I miss this? Let me get rid of this this trend line right here. Let me get rid of this. I think I messed up. Let me see. 30-minute right here. How did I miss this? I think it's crazy. 30 minutes right here. How did I miss that block? Check out the lows. See if we're sweet. Yeah, this might be a tricky one. It's a continuation for the loans. We're gonna see. How did I miss this block? What in the world? Alright, I might add more. Just give us some more confirmation. I'm looking to go for them lows. If we can break this, let me see how many ticks this is from here. Might do it all the way here. 130, 142, 142. How much risk I can put on this without hurting myself? 142. It's about to tank. It's trying to hold this level. Big push. I want to stop back up. Sellers are in control. Just making sure they don't have no crazy Alright, here we go. I'm gonna add more if we can break. Okay, now it's already breaking. Tch. Want to add more into this. I want to add more into this, my level right here, though. Come on. Come back into this 30 and just respect it. A second left on the 5 minute. Took out the lows. Can we pull back up? Give me in some more. Even come up here, just like respect this. I might add more right here. Let's see. Okay. I don't like that. That was not nice. I'm not a fan of that type of price action. I wanted to add more right here, but I just didn't like. I don't like how it looked. See, I don't like how it looks. It looks like I don't like that. I don't like that. Let's see. Come on, yeah, there we go. There we go. All right, I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting. I'm just trying to be patient and make sure that it's gonna actually play out the way I want it to play out. There we go. Could this be an opportunity to add more? I'm gonna add more right here, just in case it drops. I'm gonna take out if it pumps back up. Oh, we got an imbalance right here, but dang. I'm gonna keep a tight stop. I'm gonna keep a tight stop. I'm gonna keep a tight stop. I'm gonna keep a tight stop right here. I'm gonna keep a tight stop right here. Okay, okay. Can we have a continuation? Right here, I like the respect on this 30 minute. Can we get the continuation? Can we get a continuation? I like how we're rejecting all these wicks. Can we get a continuation? Please don't come back up into this imbalance. Please, please, please. I'm in heavy. I'm in three minis. Okay, continuation. Come on, come on, come on. Real heavy. Real heavy. Oh, I don't like that. I don't like that candle. Oh yeah, I don't like that. This might be tough. Okay, here we go. Reject, reject, reject. Buyers are in control. I might have to get out. I got stopped out. I ain't get stopped out. I took out majority of it though. That's lame. That's lame. That's lame if you really did that on me, just to do that. Still holding though. That is so lame. All right, let me put my stop up a little higher. I'm still in it because I want to take the trade. I like this. Let me see right here. Let's try it now. That's 20. 27. Can I get that full follow through? Buyers are in control. I don't like that. There we go. That was a little extreme, huh? Oh, they really are trying to play. It's getting crazy right now. Ah, I don't like that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Come on. Reject, reject. Yeah, this is tough. I might call it quits on this one. If it don't break now, and it's gonna go back up. Come on, like get that full follow through. I need to look at this full market again. Halfway. Yeah, that's tough. I'm in a tough trade right now. I might have to take out partials. As soon as it drops, it does that. Oh my goodness. Come on. Don't do that. Come on. Yeah, I might have to get out of this, y'all. Too much risk. Yeah. Yeah, I might have to get out of this. Too much risk. How is this level so aggressive? I'm out of it. It took way too long for me. It's taking way too long. And don't tell me this is the move. Yeah, it's taking way too long. Yeah, I didn't like that. It's taking way too long. Now, if we can get a rejection right here at this order block, then I'm happy. But it's just taking way too long, bro. We swept the lows, but man, I was hoping we would sweep a little lower. Whoa, what happened to my trade? Oh, there we go. We rejected. We rejected like 4 times right here. I'm shocked that we sweeping and we're just gonna bounce here. No way. Yeah, this might be the bounce. I might have to get out this trade. I'm out of it. I'm out of it. I'm out of it. I'm out of it. That's ridiculous. That is really ridiculous. You consolidate but can't even follow through with a bigger move. Amazing. Swept these lows, but when we swept this high, so you know what? Maybe it's ready to go back up to the highs. The thing is, we didn't even bounce off nothing. We just stopped right here and just, you know what I'm saying? We just literally stopped and then went back up. I'm gonna try one more trade right here. Put my stop. I'm gonna put a tight stop this time. See what happens on the 30-minute. I might add into this. Plays out right. Respect this block, can we? $30 left on a 5-minute. You really wanted to come up into this order block and do that? Really? That's just all you wanted to do? Amazing. Simply amazing. Here we go. Second left on the 5-minute bot. Wow. Look how crazy that is. TP was down here though. See if it gives us a nice little respect back up to this half point and then I can reject. Wow. Amazing, bro. Wow. 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 That's that BS, bro. I'm telling you, that's that BS. That's that BS, bro. That's that BS that NQ do, bro. That's that BS NQ do every time. Every single time. That is if I would have just got in right here. I mean, right up here, right when they had to come back up here. Play would have been much cleaner. Any other time you got to give us a nice pullback. Come on. Pullback up into this 30-minute. That'd be nice. Pull back up into this 30-minute and then reject. I love how when you add more, it push you right where the market is at. That is crazy. Mm. 1 minute left on the 5-minute. I don't like it. Alright, here we go. Fair, you got. Can we have a continuation? Keep a tight stop. Well, I'm gonna keep my stop back up here. Let's see, 5-minute prints in a second. This is the ugliest move I've ever seen, bro. Yeah, That might be the continuation back up to the top. That happens, right? The market does do a lot of little trickery just to get you to buy and sell. Just no, it's like has no. Wow. No respect. I don't understand. I don't understand it. I mean, yeah, I see that we took out some lows, but come on, how many times have we taken out the highs and barely even got down here? Like, you telling me we coming for this little wick right here compared to this? You know how many times we rejected this? We rejected this once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and you're telling me this is where we're bouncing at off this little wick, and even this right here? Get out of here, man! Come on, it's a game, bro. Like, stop the cap. Stop the cap. Stop the cap, bro. We try to reject. We just rejected this like 3 times, 4 times. And you're telling me we're bouncing right here. Like, come on. So funny. I'm going heavy right here. See what happens right here. I'm gonna take out if we do reject. I mean, if we don't reject. Keep a tight stop though. Let's see how fast this goes down. If we get back underneath. Oh, it's going back up above that. What you call it? I might have to get out. Where's the sellers at when you need them? Amazing. Amazing. Simply amazing. Wow. If you really wanted to do an AMD off of this, not even to me, it's not even a decent order block. This, really? 4 hour? Okay. Come on. Oh. That is the move. I'll be right back. That was the move, and my goofy self could not see it. Ay, ay, ay. That was the trade, and I overthought it. That was the trade. Give me a second, y'all. How did I miss that? I looked at the 4 hours right there. It was there the whole time. I missed it. It was right here. I overthought it. This market wasn't ready to go short. It wanted to bounce off this block on the 15-minute. Duh. It happens, you know, you overlook trades and it happens. It happens, it happens. 5, 8, 5, 3, 2, 4. It happens, y'all. I blew that account thinking that we wanted to go short, but the truth of the matter is it bounced right at that range, and I overlooked it. I don't know how I overlooked it, but it happens. Right here on the 4 hour, how did I miss that? Like, no, for real though, how did I miss that? I don't understand. How did I miss that move? Right here on this 4 hour, we got this block, right? Huge block right here, and I missed it. Huge block. How did I miss this? I don't know. I just don't know how I missed that. Makes no sense. Makes no sense. Maybe it's not ready to go short. This whole time, it wasn't ready. Keep a tight stop on this. Let's see, 120. One minute left on a 15. I think I need to take this off real quick. I need to be careful right here. All right, I'm gonna let this 30-minute print and this 5-minute print, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get into another trade because I realized that this market didn't want to short. It wanted to hit this block and then bounce. How did I miss that? I don't understand. How did I miss that? See, beautiful trade. 30-minute just printed. Here we go. See what's happening right here. Might even add more into this if she plays out correctly. Trying to see. I should have held that trade. I can't believe that. I can't believe that, bro. I can't believe it. All because I overlooked the trade. All because I overlooked the market. I didn't look at a higher time frame. I seen this block, and what I did, I overlooked it and didn't see the bounce. See, perfect trade. How did I miss that trade? I don't understand it. It's okay though. Are we at the halfway mark? I might see a rejection coming up. We're gonna see. Can't believe it, bro. Can't believe it. See if I can get another opportunity to get back into this market. See if he'll give me another opportunity. Yeah, I might have to add in right now. Keep a tight stop. Going for these highs. I'm gonna see how much. 700 on that. So I say we halfway. Ooh, I need to watch this. Being patient at this block. Just being patient. Oh, 30 seconds left on the 5-minute. How did I get that? How did I miss? Bro, I still can't even understand how I overlooked this. It was right in my face. Y'all see this block. 15 minute. Look how perfectly aligned with that block. How did I miss that perfect trade? I don't understand how I missed it, but it happens. Unbelievable. 5 minute. It's taking off. Just looking at where can I add more. Oh, what happened? There we go. How did I miss, bro? I don't understand. I don't understand. How did I overlook such a good play? I don't understand. It was right in my face. The move was right in my face the whole time. That's crazy. Wow. It really just stopped right there? Wow. About 2 minutes and 30 seconds on the 5 minute. Even on the 15 too. I'm in a lot of heat. Mm. Uh-oh. It's about to get heavy. Can y'all even see what I'm looking at? Oh, okay, okay. How did you gain 1 million subs? I was doing challenges and pranks and stuff years back. Can we hold this order block? It looks really heavy right now. Probably not. 15-minute probably gonna drop on us. This is a tough level. I don't want us to come back into this. What's your advice for new YouTubers? I say follow the trends. You know, if I had really truly advice for you, be honest with you, I say give it to God. If you are lost on which way you should go, just give it to God. Honestly, just give it to your Lord. I don't want to give you. I would say follow the trends, but that'll have you doing anything. But if anything, just ask God for discernment. Ask God for clarity and understanding on what will be your best outcome, and He'll lead you in the right direction. I could say follow the trends because I follow the trends, and I've done so many different trends, and it just, you know, I went in so many different directions. But I say my best advice is just to follow, seek God, seek the Lord, and He'll show you the way to go. Hold it. Can we hold this? Can we hold this halfway point? Please, can we hold it? I'd be so much happy if it does. Man, I missed the trade. I blew one account. Thinking that I seen that the way it was going, but it was totally not the way it was supposed to go, and I missed the trade. Missed it. Can we get up? Can we get up? Really tight spot. Really tight spot. You know what's crazy? I hit the 1500s. What just happened? It literally just hit it. That's the crazy thing about it. We hit 1500. There we go. Alright. Finally took it out. Finally got it out. I blew the other account. I could have passed the other account, but I missed the trade. Like I was saying earlier, y'all, look. I missed the whole point of this trade. I was thinking short because, look, I was like, okay, yeah, we're rejecting like once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. I was like, man, this thing wants to go short. But I was missing the overall point of this market, right? I was missing the whole point of this market. Look on a daily. The fact that we even still took out the lows, we haven't took out no legitimate highs, and we still got some highs up here that we got to take out. So why not? Why not follow why fight the trend? We took out some lows, you know, we're respecting this block. Why fight the trend, right? Why fight the trend? Even though we're rejecting, I should have known based off this right here. This is where it really got me. This is where I got my confirmation that the loans were really coming in. I missed it, and I was not paying attention like I was supposed to. It was this block right here. This right here is where I was supposed to get in. This block right here. Drop down to a 15. Look how it respected that block perfectly. If I would have been paying more attention, I wouldn't have blown that account. But it happens, you know. You miss trades. You miss trades, and you'll think that it's going one way, but the truth of the matter is it's not that way. So it happens, you know. It happens. I mean, we good. I mean, got our max for the day. We did it. Man. But it's okay though. Perfect trade though. Perfect trade. We had perfect AMD. Yeah. Anyways, y'all, look. Anyways, I'm gonna show y'all the executions so y'all can see where I got in, where I got out. Executions are right here. Get rid of this. Get rid of this. Man. Pretty much this. This is how we took our trade today. Pretty much this right here. Let me see, so I can be on it exact. Okay, so it was actually this right here. My bad, y'all. Give me a second. My bad. All right, there we go. Can't look at past account because look, it's gone. But yeah, that was mainly the trade for this account. With this one too that I took and got out of. But I missed a huge one down here, which was the big one. Sometimes you gotta be more patient, and if it's, look, here's the thing: if you are trading, if you are in the chat and you are a trader, please trade your setup that you know that works all the time. The moment you start trying to do other stuff because you see other stuff, like for example, like this is my setup, right? This is the perfect setup. When you start seeing stuff and you thinking that, oh, it's not breaking, it just doesn't want to go. It doesn't want to go, you know, like this. You start saying, oh, it doesn't want to go. It doesn't want to break this. It's just constantly holding this level. You see this. You see that it's constantly rejecting and constantly rejecting. You're thinking that short, it might go short. But the overall trend right here is when you know that it bounces off this perfectly to go long. I ignored it, and I missed it. I didn't even see it. That's the crazy thing. That's usually the setup I trade, and I missed it. So that's why I blew the first account. Second account, we did good on it. We was able to recognize our problem coming down to this market right here. I was able to get into a long somewhere up in here to go and finish off. So we did good. Can't complain. Anyways, y'all, look, I'm about to hop off, y'all. I pray y'all have a good day. Oh, I gotta get that word out. Before I even get off, I gotta get that word out to y'all. So this 1 Corinthians chapter 8 verse 9. But you must be careful so that your freedom does not cause others with a wicked conscience to stumble. Right? So you must be careful. God is telling you to be careful that others with a weak conscience stumble. What does he mean by this? For if others see you with your superior knowledge, so if you know that you're way more wiser than most people, and that you claiming that you follow the Lord, eating in the temple of an idol, won't they be encouraged to violate their own conscience? So if you know you're smarter, and you know that you may know your word, you may know God more, you might come off as more wealthier than people, stronger than people, wiser than people, and people look up to you, and they see that you're doing such things as far as like giving into idols, following certain crowds in social media, you know, saying certain things, doing certain things that is not holy. And the blood could be on your hands. It's saying be careful, because you being looked up to can have someone else fall and stumble in their sins. So if you're being looked up to and your sins and your actions are not aligning with God, then you can have someone else stumble in their sin, and their sins can be on your hands. So recognize, guys, that whatever you do and whatever reflects to other people could be a big stumble to them. So what it says right here is eating in the temple of an idol. Won't they be encouraged to violate their conscience by eating food that has been offered to an idol? So because of your superior knowledge, a weak believer for whom Christ died will be destroyed. And when you sin against other believers by encouraging them to do something they believe is wrong, you are sinning against Christ. So if what I eat causes another believer to sin, I will never eat meat again as long as I live, for I don't want to cause another believer to stumble. We got to make sure that whatever our actions, our words, and our thoughts are aligning with the Lord, guys. And we don't want to cause others to stumble in sin when we know that we can lead them in the right path, right? So make sure that you're encouraging others to do the right thing. Focus on God, have faith in the Lord, trust in the Lord, and your sins will be forgiven. But remember this, guys, sin leads to death. Putting your faith and trust in Jesus Christ will lead to life. It's already been written in the book. So make sure that you continue to read, meditate on your word day and night, put your faith and trust in the Lord Jesus, and you will have eternal life. Believe in your heart, guys. You got to believe in your heart. All right. We have Proverbs chapter 3, which is one of my favorites, verse 5. Trust in the Lord with all of your heart. Lean not on your own wisdom, your own understanding. Seek in all of your ways, seek God's will, and he will show you the right path. If you trust in the Lord and you put your whole heart into him, and you do not lean on your own understanding, and you seek his will, he will give you the right direction to go and the right path to go. God bless y'all. I'm about to get up out of here, y'all. I'll see you tomorrow.